Hi students. Now let us try to understand what is the meaning of buoyancy. For that, let us consider a large vessel filled with water. Now I will take a hollow plastic ball. So this is a hollow plastic ball. So in position 1, it is held above the liquid surface. In position 2, you can see that it is slightly immersed in water. A portion of the ball is immersed inside water. So the moment it is pressed inside water, this water present in this much volume is getting displaced out of the place it is going. So it is displaced. And the water below the surface will exert a perpendicular force on the bottom surface of the ball. This upward force is perpendicular to the surface of the ball, and since this force is perpendicular to the surface, it is called as thrust. Perpendicular force is also called as thrust, and since it is acting in the upward direction, this is also called by the name as upthrust. Okay, in the third position, position number 3, totally the ball is immersed inside the water. So if you keep a ball pressed inside water as shown in position 3 and leave your hand, what will happen to the ball? What do you expect? It will rebound in the opposite direction and it will come out of the water totally. You have left your hand, but who is pulling the ball? Who is taking the ball out of the water? It is because of the upthrust acting on it. So this upthrust or the upward force acting on the body immersed in the liquid only is called as upthrust, or it is also called as buoyant force. And the property of the liquid due to which it exerts the upward force is called as the buoyancy. Okay, so in the position number 2 and 3, we understand that there is an upward force which brings the ball back to the position. This is only called as buoyancy. So this term buoyancy is related to all the floating bodies. Okay, when you go for a ride in a river, okay, in a boat or in a launch, do they give life jacket to you? Yes, life jacket, and the tubes and all will be kept, orange color tubes will be there for rescue operations and all. So the life jacket is also called by another name called as life buoy, because when you immerse into water or due to some accident, if you happen to jump into the water, means you will not sink into the water, you will just float by holding the life jacket or the life buoy. That word life buoy has come from the buoyancy only. So what is buoyancy means? You should remember that the upward force exerted by the liquid on the immersed bodies is called as buoyancy or buoyant force or upthrust. I hope you have understood well. Fine.